Namaste, I am Shiva Swati and this video is about explaining that schooling needs to be stopped on the physical plane for the pandemic to reduce and for humanity to rise to a higher positive level of existence where happiness is higher, where criminal activities are less, need for drug addiction is less, and need for prostitution or beating your children to success is less. This can happen only when school starts teaching emotional management and they teach people how to cope with difficulties in a manner which makes them positive more than negative. And schools need to change their syllabus so that children do not get bored while studying and they do not resort to activities like drug addiction or alcoholism or prostitution or love affairs simply because they need thrills in life. Thrills in life are allowed because the soul comes for positivity, but the thrills need to come from the work you do, from the studying that you do. That needs to be thrilling by itself. And if you teach excessively, if you teach things which are too much, the thrill goes out and you're simply memorizing by rote, and the stress is increasing because you don't remember anything which you memorize by rote. It all gets washed out. It has been proven by research that if you memorize, you will not remember except for basic tables, basic activities which are under 10 years of age. But if you want to apply something in everyday life, you will need to find method of calculation, of thinking, which is applied from the beginning. It should not appear cumbersome to you to add up. It should not appear stressful to you to go to school. It should not appear stressful to you to go to work also, because you enjoy your work. So success, the desire for success has to become lower for the desire for happiness to rise. You cannot preach to people to be good. You have to show them the way to be good, and you have to show them how to be positive in difficulties. You cannot teach people that success will get you everything in life, because everything in life is not about material things. Everything in life is about love and relationships and being calm when there are difficulties, not rising into anger when there is a disagreement. So you have to teach these things in school, how to be calm in difficulties, how to control your anger. You have to teach meditation, soul awareness. Why do you come on earth? You are coming on earth to learn soul lessons. You are not coming on earth to learn academics. Academics is valueless on higher realms. When you die, after life, you do not use your academics at all. You only use frequencies, vibrations, you use energy equations. And for that, you need to be taught in schools how to raise your vibrational frequency. That is why there are so many people who are turning into animals in later lives, because they do not know how to connect to their souls or raise their vibrational frequency. Their vibrational frequency lowers. They go into drugs, they go into prostitution, they become like animals in human bodies. They kill without guilt, and then they become animals in the next life, and this 100 years of human existence goes waste, simply because in schooling you can teach much more. You can teach vibrational frequency, you can teach soul awareness, but as a mass you are not concerned. So God has taken this step of creating the pandemic, and pandemic is going to rise if you open physical schools, because this is a forced stop to an app of schooling which is not working. It is redundant, and nobody is concerned about changing the syllabus, about teaching soul awareness in school, about teaching how to be just peaceful. That has to be taught in school, how to be creative and peaceful, how to receive, how to generate financial abundance, how to generate emotional calmness. So all this which cannot be taught by parents has to be taught by schools. And online schooling is better than physical school, simply because children meet less. So there is less room for sharing drugs, for sharing cigarettes, for drinking alcohol. Even in smaller classes, there is less room to get angry, because when children go to school, they become angry. They are forced into studying. So there should be no forced studying. Studying should be pleasurable, and only as much should be taught as is pleasurable and applied, because anyways it gets washed out in later years. So you have to be focused. Like in business, you are focused that you work such that you get money. In exercise, you are focused, you work such that you lose weight. Similarly, in academics, you have to focus such that children enjoy studying and what is learned is retained and can be applied. It cannot be academic, and if this social strata which is continuing the present education and being careless on self is continued, then infection will only rise. Because this kind of thinking which is totally academic increases wars, and a third world war can destroy humanity. So God is preventing that, and hence physical schools should not be opened. Online schooling can be continued, but the syllabus has to change. Before you ever think of opening physical schools, you have to change the syllabus to make it more pleasurable and apply it to every student. It cannot be generalized as good for some and bad for others. It has to be uniquely designed, specifically applicable, so that the positivity of each child that goes to school increases. Only then they will get employment, only then they will be able to contribute to humanity if they are taught how to be happy in schools. And happiness does not mean dancing, singing, music, hearing stories. Happiness means how to be vibrationally connected to your soul, because your soul inside you is the filament of positivity. You need to gaze for hours in air, you need to meditate, you need to be thoughtless. Methods of meditation have to be taught so that your hormones are in control and you become happier, because your health is good. The schools are only teaching competition, running from here to there all the time, and avoiding all major conflicts. So they are teaching escape behaviors. So God has denounced the existing education system, and if you insist on continuing it, human problems will only rise. So if you are asking God for help, ask for a better education system so that children become nicer, more compassionate, and more helpful to humanity. Thank you. Please share, like, and subscribe.